Good morning. I am Aisha from RBVRR Women's College, and we are going to discuss about HTTP versus HTTPS. So, before knowing about HTTP versus HTTPS, let's know what is HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Protocol is nothing but a set of rules. When the sender sends the information to the receiver, the communication between them has some rules and they need to follow those rules. This is known as protocol. And HTTP provides a set of rules and standards that govern how information is transmitted on the World Wide Web. It is just a protocol which sends the information to the receiver, and it has some rules. Computers on the World Wide Web use the Hypertext Transfer Protocol to talk with each other, and the URL of the HTTP is represented as http colon double slash www dot anything that we search through the web. URL is nothing but Uniform Resource Locator. HTTP is a client-server protocol by which two machines communicate using a reliable connection-oriented transport service such as TCP. Now let us know HTTPS. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. It is just an extension of HTTP with security. Whereas HTTP does not have security, but HTTPS has a security. HTTP over SSL. SSL is nothing but secure socket layer, which acts like a sub layer under regular HTTP application layering. HTTPS encrypts an HTTP message prior to transmission and decrypts a message upon arrival. This means that HTTPS is an extension of HTTP. It uses encryption for secure communication over computer network and is widely used on internet. In HTTPS, the communication protocol is encrypted using SSL, which is secure socket layer. This protocol is also known as HTTP over SSL. Now let us see the differences between HTTP versus HTTPS. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. That is nothing but HTTP which has a security. HTTP is less secure. HTTP does not have security, whereas HTTPS is more secure. HTTP works in the application layer of OSI model. OSI model is nothing but open system model, and HTTPS works in the transport layer of OSI model. HTTP does not use this certificate. HTTPS uses SSL certificate. Here, user certificate is nothing but security certificate. HTTP does not have security certificate, whereas HTTPS has a secure socket layer certificate. There is no encryption and decryption in HTTPS because the information which is sent from receiver, which is sent from sender to receiver, is the same which has arrived at receiver. So there will be no encryption and decryption. Whereas in HTTPS, there is encryption and decryption. HTTP helps to transfer text, audio, video, images through web pages. Same the process works in HTTPS but with security. HTTPS helps to transfer data securely via network. HTTP, it's an application protocol for distributed collaborative and hypermedia information system. Whereas HTTPS is an extension of HTTP protocol for secure communication over a network. HTTP URLs begins with HTTP colon double slash. Whereas HTTPS or URLs begins with HTTPS colon double slash. URL is nothing but Uniform Resource Locator. And HTTP uses 80 ports by default, whereas HTTPS uses 443 port by default. So HTTPS is also a combination of HTTP plus secure socket layer. It's nothing but HTTPS is an extension of HTTP with the security. So that security is provided from SSL, which is nothing but security socket layer. Now here see we easy representation of HTTP and HTTPS. Here it shows us HTTP is not secure. The information can be driven, and the HTTPS, the S in HTTP stands for secure. So HTTPS is a security. It has security. It is more secure. And here is an example. And here the information is going from sender to receiver. When it is going, if it is from, if it is in the form of HTTP, the intruder can hack the information and can get the all information out of it. But if it is in the form of HTTPS, which is having the security, no intruder can hack the information. So this is all about HTTP versus HTTPS. Thank you.